What I'm going to do, I'm going to present is what I presented to the players last night. So we're going to work really hard. There'll be drills today, games today, where we're just trying to get as many people on their feet as we can. If we just forget about it and just play our game, we're just playing with their hands.
You'll see it, the level of intensity, because of the timekeeping's kept that well, that it makes it really work. The same part of the foot, and we're just going through.